Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. The Python crypt module provides a way to perform basic password hashing and verification using the Unix crypt 3 algorithm. One critical aspect of secure password hashing is the use of salts. In this tutorial, we will explore the crypt module in Python and learn how to correctly use salts to enhance the security of password hashing. The crypt module in Python provides a way to use the crypt 3 algorithm to securely hash passwords. The crypt 3 algorithm is a widely used method for storing passwords securely in Unix-like operating systems. It involves using a combination of a user's password and a random value called a salt to create a one-way hash that is stored in a password file. A salt is a random value that is generated for each user when their password is hashed. It is typically a long, random string of characters. The purpose of a salt is to add randomness to the password hashing process, making it more challenging for attackers to use precomputed tables, rainbow tables, to crack hashed passwords. Using salts is crucial for password security for several reasons. Unique hashes, salts ensure that even if two users have the same password, their hashed passwords will be different due to the unique salts. This makes it more difficult for attackers to identify common passwords. Protection against rainbow tables. Rainbow tables are precomputed tables that map hashes to their corresponding plaintext passwords. Using salts prevents attackers from easily using rainbow tables since they would need to generate tables for each salt value. Increased complexity. Salts increase the complexity of brute force and dictionary attacks, making it more time-consuming and resource-intensive for attackers to crack passwords. In Python's crypt module, you can generate password hashes with salts using the crypt.crypt function. It takes two arguments, the password to hash and the salt. The salt should be a string starting with a prefix that indicates the hashing algorithm and the number of rounds, example $6 rounds equals $10,000. The following are some commonly used prefixes. The number of rounds specifies the computational effort used for hashing and should be chosen appropriately to balance security and performance. Let's create a Python script that demonstrates how to use the crypt module to hash passwords with salts and verify them. In this example, we create a password hash with a random SHA-512 salt and then verify a password against the hash. You can customize the algorithm and the number of rounds as needed. Remember that this is just a basic example, and in a real application, you should securely store the hashed passwords and salts and follow best practices for password management. In conclusion, using salts with the crypt module in Python is essential for enhancing the security of password hashing. By following best practices and generating unique salts for each user, you can significantly improve the resistance of your system to password attacks. ChatGPT